I'm going to show you how you can make money from pictures. Imagine that, making money from pictures online. It is absolutely beautiful. Instead of just looking at the pictures and just saying how beautiful they are, how about making money from these pictures that are online? If you're interested in this method, make sure you watch the video all the way to the end, because I'm going to break it down for you. I'm going to explain to you what you need to do so that you can start making money right now. Now, this is absolutely free. Don't worry about spending any money. It's available worldwide, wherever you are. Africa, Australia, Europe, Asia, South America, wherever you are, you can all get access to this opportunity right now. So, before I show you this awesome strategy, please subscribe to the AD Money channel right now. Just click that red button that says subscribe. It's absolutely free. You don't pay any money to subscribe, so please just subscribe. And turn on the notification bell. Click that bell, which means that anytime I have a new video for you, you'll get a notification on your phone or on your computer. So, have you ever heard of Pixabay? Pixabay.com. So Pixabay is a place where there are so many awesome photos and pictures that you can actually download for free, and you can reuse these photos for yourself. You can do whatever you want with them. There are no copyright issues or legal issues. These are free images that you can actually use for yourself. Now, do you know how beautiful these pictures are actually? They're actually very, very beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. But people would just see them as beautiful, but they won't know how to make money from them. So I'm just going to take my time and explain how you can actually make money from something so beautiful. As we can see over here, we have a black cat. As you can see, it's free to download. All you do is you click on free download, and you just decide to see if you want it in this size. So there's 4 different sizes. So just keep it on this size and click on download. So it's going to immediately download onto your computer for free, and you can do whatever you want with them. As you can see, free for commercial use, which means that you can resell them. Imagine that. Awesome, right? Well, it is. What you need to do is a website that is called File Upload. File Upload. This website is a place where you can upload files, as the name says, and you can make money. So if somebody in the United States or Canada or Australia or the United Kingdom downloads your picture, you get $6. If somebody in the United Arab Emirates and Saudi Arabia downloads your picture, you get $2. If somebody in all the other countries on the earth, you get $2 as well. So just imagine that one photo. Let's actually go onto the online calculator right now. Let's get onto the online calculator. Let's say we have 20 people in the United States who decide to actually download your photo. So it's $6 per photo, and 20 people decide to download your photo. So that is $120 for what? For just a simple image. One image, if 20 people download it, you've gotten $120. Imagine that. Now imagine that you actually uploaded 10 different photos. There are photos on different things. Say for example, you want cars. So you want to type in cars. So it's going to show you different photos on cars. All of them are free. Imagine that you uploaded 10 photos over here. And you have 10 photos and 10 people decided to download your photo once, which means that each photo was downloaded once, so that is $100, which means that one person downloaded one photo, another person downloaded another one, another person downloaded another one, and you got 10 different people to buy each image only once. That is $100. Imagine that. I mean, guys, stop sleeping and start using this strategy. It's awesome. It's really, really awesome and easy to do. So now the great problem here is that how do you actually get people to actually buy this? Now you must understand that you're not selling the image. You're not selling the image. You're going to get a link to the image. So when you upload your file on File Upload, you get a link, okay? Just a link. So that link is what you want to promote to different people, maybe on Facebook or Twitter. Then when people click on that link and download your image from File Upload, so depending on where they are and they download it, that's when you get your money. So you're not selling the image to people because people would never buy it. It doesn't make sense to them. But if it's just free to download, you actually make money because the customer, the person is actually going to click on the link and must definitely come onto File Upload in order to download that file. So File Upload wants people to come onto their website and download the file because they want more and more traffic on the website. So you must understand the benefits that File Upload gets when people actually come onto the website. That is why they're willing to pay you. They're willing to pay you because they get benefit when people come onto their website. The more people come onto the website, the more the company grows, the more they get recognition for who they are. So that is why they're willing to pay you. So you must take advantage of this opportunity. As you can see, the total members already, so many members already. It's approaching 500,000 already. And a lot of money has already been paid. And you can see over here, there's a proof of payment where there's quick money that's been made every day. $220. Somebody made $220, $50, $1,048. I mean, come on. So you need to find a way to advertise this thing. You need to find a way to send your link to people to say, hey, check out this funny image, check out this cool image of this car. So when they click on it and they don't even, the moment they click on it, the moment they download it, they need to download it. So they must click on the link and download the file. The moment they download the file, you make your money. I hope it makes sense. You get your money paid via Vodafone, Payoneer, Skrill, Western Union, PayPal. If you want your money straight into your bank account, you can get that as well. So it's a really, really awesome strategy that I have to share with you. Now, if you like this website to get these free images, it's also available on the Play Store. The Play Store, if you have an Android phone or an iPhone, on the App Store as well, it's available. This is the logo right here. This is the icon. This is how it looks. This green thing, it's Pixabay, and a lot of people are using it. Free images. Find a way to upload the images on here, go onto Facebook groups, Twitter groups, and send your link to just type in like, hey, look at this funny image of this cat. So they'll click on it, cause them to download it. You have to be like influential. You need to influence them to download that file, because if they don't download the file, you're not going to make your money. It's not about clicking on the link, it's about causing them to click on the link and downloading the file. If you have any questions, comment your questions down below in the comment section. I'll do my best to reply. And what else do you need to know? You need to register here, absolutely free. Username, email address, password, your payment information, and that's about it. Very easy to do. So if you like this video, please like it, subscribe to the AD Money channel right now, click that red button, it's free, and turn on the notification bell so that you don't miss any of my new videos. And I also have a playlist with different methods on how you can make more money online, so go and check my playlist right now. And thank you so much for watching, and cheers.